Okay, so this is your Power BI online service or kind of cloud service. So there are a lot of options to give you a basic understanding of all. From here you can see the profile section here. Here you can see your email ID and the sign out option. There is actually a feedback option, and if you have any help and support, and after signing into your cloud service, there is download section. Here you can see there are a lot of components related to Power BI. Power BI desktop, we all know now that what is desktop and what is the role of Power BI desktop. Go here, Power BI for mobile. See, you can see this when you click on the send me a download link, you will get a download link on your device of any of Android or iPhone app. So you can install on your device. And there is Power BI Publisher for Excel, analyze in Excel updates. So last two options are related actually to analyze or to export some data from your Power BI. There is also a functionality to export your data into Excel for further analysis or to share the data of your reports, of your charts, of your tiles. So this is actually a export to Excel functionality updates and some kind of functionality. So basically we have three components: desktop, gateway and mobile. And we are standing here, this is Power BI service, means cloud service. So now here, what is data gateway? Let's get a basic understanding of this also. Power BI data gateway. Power BI data gateway is actually responsible for refreshing the data on your reports and dashboards from your data sources. Okay, it refresh your data in the backend and it execute all your queries in the backend. Okay, you can define the timings at what particular time frame you need to refresh your data. So it is actually responsible for data refreshing, or you can say refresh scheduler. It is actually two types, which is personal mode and enterprise. Personal and enterprise are having some kind of benefits and some kind of limitations. So it is basic understanding that what is gateway, it is two types, and it is responsible, it is used to refresh data on your reports and dashboards. So now next feature is the setting tabs. Here you can see you can manage your group storage. Just go to here, and here you can see that there is 10 GB space and you have consumed 21 MB. And you can see here owned by others. See, if you are accessing reports from other users, or you can see other users shared reports with you, then you can see the list in this section owned by us, and the vice versa. If you share the reports with others, then you can see the list here in this section. There is some information that this is agent and calls analysis. It is a report name, the size and the type, and the last refreshed when the data was refreshed by data gateway at this time, and some associated dashboards that this report is associated with which dashboard, and some associated reports details. Okay, there may be some lot of rows and lot of data here that you shared. Suppose 100 or 500 reports with your team, then all of the information will be available here. So for my user, it is 10 GB. I can get the reports of for up to 10 GB. And okay, so here you can create content pack. Now, what is content pack? Basically, as overview, content pack is a bundle of your all reports and dashboard. And view content pack, it is same that you created any content pack. You can go here and view your content packs. And inside your content pack, you can check the reports and dashboard list. Admin portal, this is basically the administration of your Power BI tenant. This one feature, administering of Power BI. Okay. So if you want to administer Power BI portal, then you will have, let me open it. Actually, I don't have access on this account. I'll show it with another account. basically it has so admin portal. I'll show you it with another account. Let it be on hold for the time being. And next section is manage gateways. Manage gateway means there is data gateways. Data gateway. When you start the data install the data gateway, firstly you need to download from here, and after downloading you just need to install gateway. There is two type of gateway now, personal and enterprise. You need to decide as per your requirement, as per your organization structure, that which one you should download and install. And after installing, you need to configure with your email ID. Means this email ID, this account. So it is actually a one-time process, and it has to be done by administrator people, or the one who is going to manage and control all of the things. Because that person will only have the access to restart gateways or to restart the services, to manage the settings of gateways. Now there's the option of settings. Here you have some settings options here, like privacy and the language supports, that in which language you want to see your service. Like I cannot change any language actually. If I change, then it will be very difficult for me to. I can use Spanish like this. So I think, I don't know, it is, yeah, it's Spanish. Okay, so you can view your content in language here. There is a language selection area. So back to the English. Applicar. There is an option, a close account. If you want to close your Power BI account, then you just need to go here and close account. So here developer option. You can also use the developer options for testing purpose. And there is some ArcGIS map for Power BI. It is actually a visual map, visual actually, ArcGIS map. And it is actually a US based map, and it is having some subscription options. Okay, it has some advanced features to view the area based on the aerial views, some 3D views, and some different kind of features. Actually, it is very detailed visual for map. Okay, so if you want to use, then you just need to use it, and I click on apply. Okay, for using this, you need to purchase a subscription. Actually, it is, I think, $1 or $2 per month. So now moving to the dashboard list. You can view the dashboard list over here, all the data sets and the workbooks. If you are importing data from any Excel or any kind of file, you will get the list over here. Alerts option. If you are setting any alert, then all of the list will be available here. Like I have set it an alert for alert of total missed call if exceeding limits. So alert means that you want some email notification if the any point of time that particular parameter variable is exceeding the limit. Suppose your salesperson are going to achieve the month target, then you want to get a notification or your email. So you need to set this. Okay, so once the limit will cross that particular option, you will get an email on your account. Okay, here are some options. Date created, you can on and off this option. You have the edit and delete options, and there is subscription options. Subscription options means once the data will be refreshed on your reports, you will get an email notification. Okay, you can set this notification, set this subscription based on daily or weekly. You have two options actually. You can get the screenshot or in basic summary of your report on daily basis or on weekly basis. Once the data will get refreshed in your reports. Okay, so there is another option, that is all notifications. So if anyone published any dashboard, or anyone share any report or dashboard with you, then you will get a notification in this section. Okay, like this test workspace, this dashboard is has been added to this workspace. You have a lot of reports and dashboards, like thousands of reports, then it is not easy to find out. So just you need to go here, search content, and you just need to type your daily report or your report name. So there is search option also here, and there is a workspace now. It is actually a very important and very frequently used term, which we will use in the reports development and reports sharing process. So workspace means actually there is actually a canvas area, or you can see it is an area where you have all your content, your reports, your dashboards, your data sets, even your workbooks. Okay. So like by default, if you have more than one space, by default workspace is my workspace. It is by default workspace. If I create an account like this, then I get my workspace like this, and I can show and hide the options like this. Here is some options: dashboards. You have no dashboard, reports, workbooks, and data sets. Okay. Currently, I don't have any content in these categories, so this is mine by default workspace. Okay. But if I want to share, or I want to do further development or further sharing process, then I need to create another workspace. Workspace basically a folder, okay, where you are going to put all your reports, your dashboard, and your content in that particular area. Okay, so that means workspace is kind of folder. This is your this is your by default folder, my workspace. And if you want to create any customized folder, customize workspace, then you need to go here and create app workspace. Go here and just you need to give name, your workspace name here. You need to select the permission, then public, anyone can see what's inside, and it can be private, only approved member can see. And there is also a feature that members can edit, or members can only view the content. Okay, and you need to provide the list of users that with whom you are going to share this workspace. If you don't want to share with anyone, then you just not need to provide any email address here. Okay, and after giving all the information, just click here, save, and you will get a workspace like this. On the top of workspace list, you will get your by default workspace. It is my workspace, and your all customized, all your created workspaces will be available here like this. So there is options here like files, members, calendars, conversions, edit workspace. If you want to edit some information, you can leave this workspace. So this is your workspace. So moving from this side, we covered all of the options and things, basic understanding at least here. So there is actually a administration area here. You can go here and you can check into the home tab. This is actually home tab, and you can check your email. You can see all the applications here which are linked with your Office 365 credit account. Okay, so with my Office 365 account, I have linked these applications. Okay. So I can see the list all of these here. Power BI is here also. Okay. So there is another point is that there is option of get data. By going here, get data, you can use actually to create some reports as we did here.
I'm sure you enjoyed learning from this video. Please like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Do look out for other related videos in our playlist. For more information, visit our website now. Keep learning with IntelliPat.